Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, a daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, Japan's Nomura Bank is offering a Bitcoin adoption fund for institutions. Oh yeah, baby. Let's check it out. Bang! Welcome everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. You're not about to witness the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! Let me get to it. Japan's Nomura Bank is offering a Bitcoin adoption funds for institutions. So here come the institutions. This is what we need. We need the big money to come into this space. We're trapped here at like 2 trillion. What are we at? Oh my gosh. Sorry, my bad. $1.04 trillion in market cap. If we want this market cap to go up, well, we need more money. Well, the only place to get more money is through the big financial institutions, the big investment firms, hedge funds, asset managers, family offices, fund masters, fund managers to make this space jump. And so we're going to see a little example of how Japan is contributing to that endeavor. All right, let's check it out. Nomura Bank. First, we start out with a little bit bang, and then we head on over here. We do a little wait, sorry. Bang, there we are. There's the bang. Look. So look. Bitcoin adoption fund launched by Japan's $500 billion, so $500 billion Nomura Bank. Nomura Bank is a major bank, like a Citibank or like for Americans, like a JP Morgan. It's huge, it's big, it's massive. All right. So, and that, when things like this come, well, that attracts the other big whales, right? The other financial whales, right? It creates legitimacy, and all that good stuff, right? And advertising for the whole crypto space, right? And so let's read the byline. The Bitcoin adoption fund will have long only exposure to Bitcoin and be available to institutional investors, and that's what we want. Institutions coming here. We want BlackRock, we want Fidelity, we want Soros, we want Citadel, we want Vanguard, all the big players, and then all the other fund masters and everything below. Right? That's what we want coming into this space. And of course, you all know the asset managers. We'll talk about them on another episode here. So it will only be long only, meaning they're not going to be able to short Bitcoin with this. You know, in the markets, you can go long or short. In other words, you can make money if something goes up. Obviously, you all know about that. But did you know you can make money when things go down? Oh, yeah. I'm a currency trader. I'm a Forex trader. That's what I do for a living. I don't have a 9-to-5 job. Look at me. Right? I'm not even shaved, right? I don't have to shave because I don't have to show up at some job somewhere and report to somebody. And so my money makes me money. And it's people like me that want to see more of this. Well, I'm just a nobody. I mean, I'm just a tiny little nobody. But the mega masters now, the $1 billion guys, the $1 trillion guys like BlackRock, this is what they want to see. They want exposure to Bitcoin in their portfolios, and they want to do it through a safe, regulated environment. You know, they're not gonna, Shomari, man, how come people aren't buying all the Bitcoin yet? What? Because they're not gonna. You think a fucking hedge fund is gonna sign up to fucking Binance? Put their clients' money on something like Binance? Imagine if a big hedge fund, imagine if BlackRock, they wouldn't have been allowed, but just imagine they'd put a whole bunch of their money, their client money, on FTX or with Celsius. Yeah, well, right? They're not stupid. They don't trust that kind of bullshit, that kind of fly-by-night kind of wildcat exchange stuff. And so this is what you want. You want big banks, big institutions with proper custody, proper insurance, proper everything, customer service, right, and stuff like that. So let's check out what Nomura's offering, brothers and sisters. Yes. So Japan's largest investment bank, Nomura's digital asset subsidiary, Laser Digital Asset Management. I like what they call it. They're calling their crypto subsidiary Laser Digital Asset Management. Oh, yeah, it just sounds techie and wild. So they has launched a Bitcoin adoption fund for institutional investors. So that's the money we need. That's the money right there. Buy. Institutional investors. Right? We've been here with just retail investors, well, the whole time. right, since crypto began. But let's just start from this show. This show started in 2018. Right, we've been here with the retailers, and they brought us up to 2 million. Remember, we got up to about 2.2, 2.3 back in, what was that, 2019? Right, just before COVID hit, right? Yeah, well, soccer mom and dad are tapped out. The retail investor is tapped out. I mean, look at the, actually, let's take a fucking look. Let's take a fucking look right now. Let's see what the market cap is today. Let me make sure you guys can see this. All right. Well, let's take a look at the market cap today. $1.08 trillion with a 24-hour volume of only $27 billion. Remember back in the days when we were at like 180, 200 billion dollars a day volume, $2 trillion. Yeah, well, we need to get back there. And soccer mom and dad aren't going to bring us there anymore. They're too afraid. They weekended out. They got thrashed. They couldn't handle the heat. You know, if you want to play in the fire, you got to handle the heat. You know what I'm saying? You can't weak hand. You know what a weak hand is? Right? A weak hand is as soon as something goes down, they run away. Yeah, so you lose money. Hey, you got to huddle. You got to huddle. Hey, but Shomari, I just lost $50,000. You haven't lost $50,000 yet, fuckstick. You haven't lost. You're just down $50,000. Settle down. The game's not over. Right? I always tell everybody, I've said on this channel a million times, investing is like sports. Right? Like a basketball game. Okay, you're down 10 points at halftime. Yeah, the game's not over. Okay, you're just down. Yeah, we lost by 10. You didn't lose by 10. You're just down by 10. And that's why I tell people, Shomari, man, my account, I'm down. I just lost 50,000. You haven't lost anything. If you cash out now at a loss, well, you've lost. You've given the market the 50,000. But if you hodl, strong hand, or what do these crypto people call this? Some shit they have, a diamond hand, whatever. If you just strong hand it, well, settle down. If you're invested in revenue generating product, that money will come back. Right? You're just down 50,000. You haven't lost 50,000. Not until you cash out. And it goes the other way. You haven't made, so imagine your portfolio is up 50,000. Shomari, man, I just made 50,000. Did you cash it out? Oh, then you haven't made it yet. You're just up 50,000. So it goes both ways. It goes both ways, right? When you cash out, that defines whether you've lost or gained on that particular asset that you're talking about, your particular purchase, right? So remember that. You haven't lost anything. You're just down right now. Okay, how did we get into that, though? Anyway, whatever, man. Let's get back to Nomura. Bye. The official announcement noted that the Bitcoin-based fund will be the first in a range of digital adoption of it. So the first. So they're already acknowledging, oh, yeah, we're going to be rolling shit out. We're going to be serving up the chicken. Let me tell you something if you're new to this channel. Sometimes in life you get the chicken. Sometimes you only get the feathers. Yeah, well, bang! Nomura is serving up the chicken for the institutions, and that's what they want. And institutions don't play with feathers. They'll short feathers, but they buy chicken. They're hungry. So the firm plans to introduce. Nomura is a Japanese financial giant with over $500 billion worth of assets and offers brokerage services to leading institutional investors. The leading. So, and that's the beauty. When leading institutional investors see this, they say, oh yes, perhaps I'll dabble in a little Bitcoin, a little crypto. See what I'm saying? They're going to dabble with Binance and Qcoin, BitMEX and Bittrex and BitHum and all that kind of weirdness. Nah, but a master, a master like Nomura comes and says, look, boys, you got some chicken. Oh, yeah. Well, they'll come get it. They're hungry. That's the truth. All right, guys, listen up. The Bitcoin fund launched by its digital asset arm will now offer investors direct exposure to Bitcoin. So spot market then? Oh, let's see. The laser, because if it wasn't direct, that would be in futures contract or some other derivative. So the Laser Digital Bitcoin Adoption Fund. Bang! That's its name. It's a long one. But look. Sexy. Bang! Whoops. Bang! Laser Digital Bitcoin Adoption Fund, excuse me. Offers long-only exposure to Bitcoin. The financial giant has chosen Komeinu has its regulated custody partner. You know what custody is? That's where the Bitcoins are kept. And without custody, well, you don't have a market. We've been through that. You don't know what custody is. Go back to my videos. Go back to June 30th, 2018 video when Coinbase offered custody. And trust me, I think I preach about custody for about a good half an hour. Then you'll learn about what custody is. The financial digital has a regulated custody partner. The Bitcoin Fund is a portion of Laser Digital Fund's segregated portfolio company that has been registered as a mutual fund in accordance with the Cayman Islands Regulatory Authority. Laser Digital Assets Management head Sebastian Guglietta said that Bitcoin is one of the enablers of this long-lasting transformational change, and long-term exposure to Bitcoin offers a solution for investors to capture this macro trend. Yes. So the Bitcoin Adoption Fund might be the first of its kind launched by Nomura and its digital assets arm, but the Japanese investment banking giant has been investing in the digital asset ecosystem for quite some time already. In September 2022, the firm launched its digital asset venture capital arm to stay at the forefront of digital innovation. Earlier in August this year, Nomura's crypto arm, Laser Digital, also won Dubai's Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority license to operate in the country. Bang! So they've already expanded out. Right? They're already in Dubai. Look, so the long-only Bitcoin adoption fund for investors in Japan comes amid a growing discussion around Bitcoin-based investment products from regulated and mainstream bang financial giants. Bang! 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 Regulated and mainstream. That's what's going to bring the big money. Look, retail investors like us, we're happy just fooling around. Oh my gosh, this exchange gets hacked, or this, I got rug pulled or shit. Yeah. Big time boys, they don't play that kind of fuckery. They don't play that. They're already making money, right? They're not desperate to come here. They're like, all right, we'll wait. We'll wait till a regulated mainstream bank offers it. And then we know things will be safe. And that's what we need to get our liquidity, but most of all, our market cap up, right? We don't want $2 trillion market cap. Fuck that. I want 5. I want 7. And we're going to get there. We are going to get there eventually. So look, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, approved 2 Bitcoin-based futures exchange-traded funds, ETFs, even though there is a delayed decision on spot Bitcoin ETFs. Apart from the U.S., Canada and Europe have also approved several Bitcoin-focused investment products over the past couple of years. All right. So look. That's it. Bang! Let's get back to the Death Star. Bang! Welcome, everybody. All right. And that's what we want. This is what we want to see. That is what we want to see. We want to see brand name banks, brand name financial institutions offering crypto, investment vehicles, right? We've talked about investment vehicles before. There's 100 ways, I don't know about 100, but there's like 20 ways. Here's a Microsoft share. Well, there's about 20 ways to have the price of Microsoft in your exposure to your portfolio for the price of Microsoft, right? You can buy a futures contract. You can buy it by itself. You can put it in an asset manager. You can put it in a fund. You can I can go on and on. And that's what we need. We need big institutions, trusted institutions, to offer these products so that other big institutions come and get in the game, join our party, get our market cap up, and get our crypto rising again. Soccer mom and dad are tapped out. They're tapped out. They've been abused. They've been abused. Right? In 2018, they got abused, right? Here on this channel, we refer to it 2018 as the cryptocurrency bloodbath of 2018, right? When Bitcoin fell 95% of its value. It's a hedge against inflation. Oh, the dollar never fell 95%, motherfucker, I'll tell you that. Not in our lifetimes or any lifetime, but so you keep dreaming, but right? They got beat down during that. And then it started going up again. They got up, and then COVID hit. Bang! They got beat down again. And they're weak hands. Right? They're weak hands. Oh, it's going down, sweetie. We got to cash out. Yeah, dumb motherfuckers. When things are down, that's when you buy. Right? Like, as a professional investor, let me tell you, and I've shown you my trades. If you want to see some of my trades, if you've never watched this show before, go to I believe it was January, February, March of my videos. And I show you my Forex trades. Yeah, every day. Every day. Yeah, the winners and the losers. We all lose trades. But, you win more than you lose, and you're successful like me. So go look at them, right? I show you them. Just skip forward. Just fast forward. They're at the end of each video. And I show you my Forex trades, right? I'm making money up and down. And what do? You buy the dips. That's how you make money. You don't buy on a green candle. You buy on red. But it's going down. Why would I buy if something's going down? Because it's on sale. Right? That means it's on sale. Right? If the price of milk goes down, when you go to the store to buy milk, do you go, oh, it's gone down. I'm not buying this milk. You say, fuck no, I'm going to buy 2 things of milk, 2 liters of milk, right? 2 gallons of milk. Well, it's the same here. These are just products, right? And so when it goes down, yeah, we'll buy more because it's eventually going to go up again, right? Okay, guys. And so enough of that. And so, look, this is great. This is going to bring institutional investment. A big bank like Nomura. This is no joke. This is for institutions. And it's great. Going to bring us the liquidity and the market cap we need and we desire and we deserve after being here for 5 years. We've been here for 5 years, but remember this, everyone. I want you all to remember one thing. This might have been a long slog. We've been investing for a long, long time, but I want you all to remember something. Hodl! Because the juice is worth the squeeze. This juice is worth the squeeze. All right, and on that note, let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe here and press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. Greatest show on earth, greatest show in the daggone multiverse. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke, and I love talking money and crypto. Ha! It's the favorite time of my day. So look, thank you for having me in your home, and I'll see you all next time for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. But until then, subscribe here, over here, and press the bell. Watch that video there and get your mind right. And I'll see you all next time. My name is Shomari Clarke. Always watching our money. And look, lucky for you, I'm always on duty. Look, love you guys. Bye. Yes. See you next time. Over and out.